Mal Harris, Garbage Man Piper, coming to you from the backstage of the Garbage Man Piper studio, my garage. This VR is to announce that the Sweet Chicken 600, 700, and 800 GAW is officially closed. I'll begin to do my cleanup, and at 1:30 Mountain Standard Time, we are going to go live. We will not exceed an hour and a half because there is basketball on and I'm going to watch Duke whoop up. So just letting you know, we're done. Sweet Chicken GAW's over. We'll see you guys at 1:30. Garbage Man Piper saying, Sweet chicken, baby. Y'all be safe out there.